Okay, so happy Friday, happy 4th of July, and as you can tell, it's getting dark now. And it's cloudy, which is a bad thing. It's sprinkling, if you can see, on the windshield. We're going to watch fireworks, maybe, hopefully. Because where the fireworks are is going away from the clouds, so we're hoping that it's not going to be raining there at all, and that they'll be doing their fireworks display, because we want to see some fireworks. And there's Kyle, and that guy almost ran the red light. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go find some fireworks. There's a couple different spots that shoot the fireworks over water, or kind of close, like by water, over water, kind of. And we were hoping to find a spot in between the two. That like the two cities are kind of close. So if you could find a spot good enough, you would be able to see both fireworks displays at the same time, because they all go off about 9 o'clock when it's dark. So we're gonna maybe try to find a spot like that. If not, we'll go down to the one city that we know for sure we can see the fireworks from a field that we park in. Because over by the seawall, like by the road, by the water, where they actually shoot them from, it's close and it's nice and everything, but it's so packed. It's so hard to get over there. So we're gonna find some fireworks for sure. So we're gonna do that, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we're at a friend's house. We're gonna watch fireworks over here. It's really close to the water. Like right around that corner up there, there's the water. But I don't know how they feel about being on camera, so I'm just gonna be filming the fireworks and a little bit else, something like anything I can get. So we'll see what I can do.
Hey.
9, 10, and hold it there just in case somebody messed up.
It's
Don't break it,
vintage
big
house.
Here, let me help you. Come on.
It's metal, so technically it's not.
Don't mess with the chicken.
Hey, what did I tell you? Get away from the bag.
That'll hurt you some of it.
After Daddy burns out, everybody's just gonna be done.
After Daddy burned himself?
Ella, no ma'am.
Are you hot?
Following you.
Glow sticks.
Oh.
Hey, about a pair?
Where's the green one?
Here. You okay?
Don't question it, sir. Be quiet.
I was about to say, hey, I was about to walk through it too.
Oh, how pretty. Look, Ella, look, you missed it.
Now go ahead and walk through it.
He's game.
I wouldn't really. The camera.
Oh my God.
That is horrible.
I have a friend that if he does it when he's drinking, he'll throw up everywhere. The most amazing thing in the world.
No, it is not.
She can't watch the fireworks. She'll go with the
Oh my God. Still not bad. Get it on the minute.
Get them a little bit more high.
I can see pretty good. Further back.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that was pretty. Oh. It's another one. Yeah, let.
Yeah, here you go.
Ooh. Another one. What? Ah, there it is.
That is great.
Oh, that pretty. Look, look.
It's like it whenever you take the whole road, pop the firework in there. Grab that.
Have you ever been?
Yeah, you took me one time.
Okay, I know I took Alex.
And they did the fireworks to the beat of music.
Well, usually if you put it on 19, 93Q.
The radio's in the dining room.
Oh, you got missed the finale coming after the radio.
That's okay. It'll look like this next year.
Doesn't last long.
That would be neat if they did up and down.
All right, so we are back home. It's midnight now. So the fireworks where we were supposed to go off at 9 o'clock, but for whatever reason it was like 9:30 before they started, which was kind of crazy because, well, I don't know, like I guess they were waiting for it to get dark enough or something. I don't know. It was dark at 9 o'clock, so I don't know why they were taking so long. But they were awesome. I got some good video, I'm sure. Well, yeah, you've already seen this. So, yeah. Anyway, we're back, and we went over to our friend's house. We were at our friend's in-laws' rent house to watch the fireworks from their backyard because we can see them from there, which is what was the video. And then we went to their house, but my battery died a couple times actually. So I had to keep turning it back on after a couple seconds of it being dead to finish recording the fireworks. But I got the shots, so hope you enjoyed it. I don't know where Kyle is. He's downstairs. I'm in his room actually fixing to start some YouTube for a little while. I mean, it's midnight, so I need to go to bed soon, but for a little while. And now I'm backlit. Cause I gotta turn the fan on because it's hot. I don't know why I'm whispering, but anyway, so yeah, we're gonna watch some Tim Tracker.
Alright, so as Sean said, we are home. And we are watching YouTube. We're watching a guy who lives in Orlando. And he went to Universal and they got to do a soft opening of Diagon Alley, and they also got to like ride the train and stuff from one park to the other. So it's pretty cool. They've gone for like, this is their second day in a row to go and vlog, and I saw on Instagram that they went today as well. So they're going to have lots of videos of the Harry Potter land. So that's what we're doing. Then we're going to watch a couple more videos and then go to bed. Tomorrow we're going to a place that's basically like a pawn shop, but everything they sell is like really cheap, and I'm scared to go because I have a little bit of money and they have $1.99 DVDs, so that's a little dangerous. But so yeah, we're going to end it here. We had a pretty fun night. The fireworks were pretty awesome. I enjoyed them. I didn't think I would enjoy them that much, One thing I would have to say is, I think that their fireworks is for the entire city. I mean, the entire city goes to one side of the city and watches the fireworks. So what I suggested was maybe like have some music to go with the fireworks, because just seeing 1-2 fireworks go off is kind of boring. But if there was music, it would be a lot more interesting. So that's one thing that I could say about it. But other than that, I mean, it's fireworks. It's always awesome. All right, so I'm gonna stop talking again. Down below, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it. And we will see you tomorrow.